outgoing chairman of the International Cricket Council, Mr. Greg Bartley, recently joined the call for the individual territories in West Indies like Jamaica, Guyana, Barbados, etc. to go on their own because the West Indies cricket, as it is right now, is financially unsustainable. And this is a new dimension to an old argument, really, because many West Indian fans have been making that desperate call because the region is too splintered and plagued by insularity, while the West Indies team gradually became the laughing stock of world cricket. But the former ICC chairman went deeper, saying the books are not balancing. He even suggested opportunity will arise at places like the Olympics and other international competition where individual territories can take part, but not the West Indies. The former ICC boss is basically saying West Indies cricket as it is right now, nah, go nowhere. We see him like dog.